Aloha friends from Aloha Food Forest. This is Tutu and I wanted to share good news about the mycelium that run underground when you have the mycelial mushrooms, fungi growing in the forest floor. And that has been a huge part of our success, is knowing about that and allowing an environment where the fungi can grow. And it's amazing, would you believe, and you can look it up for yourself, these mushrooms can help save the world. They do mycoremediation. I'll show you this chapter here. Yeah, this is a whole chapter on mycoremediation, and it talks about different types of toxins and the researches that showed what happened, how the type of toxin, let's see, they did a study on it, their primary origins and research showing efficacy of their fungal degradations. And then here's another chart. This is a good one too. Mushrooms with activity against toxins. So here it is. So this is huge. This, when I just especially looked into this again recently after some of the huge environmental disasters that we've been happening to us, and it's just over and over again, and it's probably not going to stop. So we have a solution that's right here in front of us to clean up land, and that is called using mycorrhizal fungi. And you can learn all about this with Paul Stamets at his fungi.com. You can get fungi there. We got a bag of this powder that we put on the floor for this place. And anyway, the real bottom line of this is that we have the solution here. It's called the fungi. Okay, remember that, Mycelium Running, how mushrooms can help save the world. And I'll put some pictures of those charts so you can see them. Okay, and then grow food forest. All right, aloha.